Hello, it's me again, technologyfreak. And before I get started, I'd like to apologize for running late. I had some technical problems with the memory card and my laptop, so I had to delete the video that I had originally planned to upload today. And I was gonna edit it, and I can't, for some reason it wouldn't let me transfer it. I was getting some kind of error message, and so I had to start over again. So, anyways, in this video, I'm going to talk about the just a second, the NomadKey, I believe is what it's called. Yeah, the NomadKey, micro USB to a USB cord. It's different than most cords, USB cords, in the fact that it's like wrapped around this plastic deal, or whatever you want to call it. There's just no way to say it's going to get tangled up or anything like that, and it's probably retractable. And then it can easily fit in your pocket. It might be easier if I buy one and do a review on it or something. In fact, I might just do that in a couple months. Anyway, that's it for this video. Bye.